You know that CAT customer value agreements help maximize your machine's performance and lifespan. But did you know CVAs also can help add value to your machine investment? Let's talk CAT Certified Maintain Program, or CCM. The CCM program certifies that your machine has been expertly maintained by CAT dealers at each planned maintenance interval using genuine CAT parts. It provides owners with verified service records, providing the equipment has strictly adhered to official operation and maintenance manual standards. Qualifying machines then earn an official CAT Certified Maintain designation, including a certification and badge that goes right on the machine. So why does this matter? You get proof of care with official and verified documentation. Your investment is protected and the value of your machine is maintained. Then if at some point you decide to resell, CCM helps get that value right back in your pocket. Plus, you get the confidence of knowing your machine is handled by experts, helping optimize uptime and maintain peak performance. This is how it works. First, get a CVA with dealer labor when you purchase a brand new machine. Next, have your CAT dealer service your machine since they'll always follow Caterpillar standards. Then, get certified. Once required maintenance events are completed for the minimum hour requirements, your machine qualifies for CAT Certified Maintained, and the badge is applied. Last, but definitely not least, maintain your CCM. Keep your CVA active and continue dealer-performed maintenance to retain CCM designation. Protect your machine and your bottom line. Talk to your CAT dealer about a CVA and CAT Certified Maintained.